Well guys, Sky Blue Simulations here with a offline video. We're going to be flying the ToLiSs A330 neo in VATSIM, no ATC right now. Coming from Cairo, Egypt, going to Dubai, United Arab Emirates. So let me just load up the, it's not this one.
OFP downloaded.
Yes, and a very imposing voice, I see. Show widget, configure. Sorry, no, not that one. You want to be showing the widget. Much better. All right. So, inbound aircraft just came in, but the crew has timed out, so there's a crew change. We do have to do this from cold and external power at least. So let's go ahead and get in the aircraft. Okay, landing gear check set. Few areas clear and landing gear doors checked. All right, let's get in the aircraft. All right, let's get our seats in. We are Alpha 6 Echo Foxtrot Alpha. Looks like the timer is still running for them. Oh, the brake fan's on as well. All right, I'll get that later on. All right, so alright, engines off, weather panel set, gear down, wipers off, battery's already on, just check the battery anyway. External power's already on, IR1, nav, IR2, nav, by the way, you got low pressure air, that's good, IR3, nav. So this 1, 2, and Capier APU fire. Oh shoot, APU fire test. All right. Let me just get my iPad set up. I'll just use this instead. Oh, here's one. Good. So it's going to be HECA. So HECA. Which charts do we need? We need, in that order, 10-9 Alpha, 10-9. We don't need a departure chart. It's just going to be radar vectors, most likely, from runway heading. We do need an approach chart, though, in case we got to turn back. It's going to be 5 right. Yeah, we're here at Echo, HECA gate. It doesn't say the gate. No. It's Echo 9. Alright. So Alpha 6 Echo Foxtrot Alpha is A330-941, turn 7072, database is current, Jeepers family lost. In it. So we're coming from HECA to OMDB. The alternate is OMA UAE 402. Alright, let's check the aircraft. Last key reports no MELs, no CDLs. OEBs, just set this selector back to 100. And systems, aircraft configuration, not much to look for. Alright. I mean, we just have CPDLC. First off, let's go ahead and get the aircraft fueled up. 19,900. Oops. And just for our purposes of boarding, I am going to request the departure clearance. So Echo 9, just so that we can get the load sheet. Alpha. Okay. So let's get the ATIS. I'm gonna get the ATIS from CDU, Atsu, AOC, weather, Matar. There is no ATIS. Okay, 83151021. 83151021. And yeah. Okay, and do we have any intersection departures? Even if it's likely they'll give us the full length. Romeo sounds reasonable, but there's none, so it's gonna be full length. Okay, again, it's 83151021. 83151021. Preliminary takeoff weight is 191.2. Flex, air conditioning on. All right, I've done the computations. Are you ready? You are? Okay. So, taking off Cairo, runway 05 right, full length, anti-ice off, packs on, config 1+F, flex 73, V1 is 130 to 145, VR 145 to 147, VR 145, V2 147, sorry, trim up 3.0, green dot 223. Good? Same? Okay. Okay, recall. So, oxygen, pressure, oxygen amber, door, hydraulics. It's mostly on the green. Filling range, we would call copy to ground and see if the hydraulics can be filled out. Up to ground, we're showing a bit low on hydraulic fluid on green system. Okay. Engine, we gotta check the oil. So what we can do is oh, yeah, we have more than enough, obviously. Also, we do have a company message. Oh, this one, yeah. Okay. Alright, flap 0 slight indicator, disarm spoilers, parking brake is on. We got the glove somewhere, life vests, crash axe, smoke goggles and hoods, portable fire extinguisher, probably equipment, oxygen mask, flashlights, escape ropes, overhead, circuit breaker panels, bulb spare. The circuit breaker panels do the external walk around while the PF does their cockpit preparation. While that happens. But, of course, it is not like it's supposed to be. Hey, look, around your inlet. Hey, look, the pre-cooler's somewhere there. Oh, fuel is done. Said he's out. Said I'm out. Excuse me? Why is it over there? There's some kind of air conditioning going on there. Is it blowing for the whole tarmac? God bless you. Okay, cockpit prep, SPF. Oh wait, should be parking brake on. It is, good. Let's auto, now lights on. We done with the fueling? Yes, you are. Battery recharge test. Alright, good. What happens if we charge the APU as well? Oh, this too, but AC2 is the one that's doing it, okay. Got it. Our fueling's done, so all engines fire test. Alright. Circuit breakers here. CVR test. Oh! Alright, there we go. KNHS 1. That won't get the 1021, yeah, okay. Scan timer. Stopped. Fault light on the cockpit door. Yeah, it works. Receiver's idle. Brake on. Rudder trim later. Above standby. And let's do our preparation. Plan mode, range 20. Max number, we'll leave it there first. Ooh, calisthenics is low, it's 10. Just 10? Damn. Minus, ground temperature is 15. That's 52. 15. 50700. Center, OSID, and then you can go on with the flight planning. Insert first. Okay, manually. November 697. Whiskey 76. Lima 550. Oh, hold on. That doesn't look good. Okay, from Sisek. To Taksu. Lima 550. Bravo 411. Yankee 415. Papa 559. Javutab. alternate that as we get closer. Yeah, 153021. The wind is 003. Nav, letting the tune, and it be that is block shows 19.8. Stand by. Can you cross check everything up until radnav, diff script up to radnav?
Boarding completed.
Cool. Alright, company message. Yeah, we got a load sheet. Alright. And you bring the load sheet out. Alright. Load sheet goes as follows: 171.8, 27.5. Take off weight 190.7. You do have to recalculate. Wait, really? I don't have any extra time. Damn. I think we'll get more extra time as we get vectored. It's fine. Yeah, we'll have it. No worries. Okay, 190.7. So we do have to recalculate. Okay, perf 1, and it's gonna be up 3.0 or up 3. Flex 73. Oh shoot. Okay, V1, VR, V2. So it's gonna be 140, 45, 45, 147. Transition altitude, yeah, it is 5,000, isn't it? Here. No, transition is 4.5. Reduction acceleration, let's just do like 800. We're in your city, right? Let's do any DP1. 450. So it's 1250. Sorry, 1270 and 3470. All right, stand by. Can you cross-check my work on the MCDU? Take a look at it. And I'll do P8. Ladies and gentlemen from the flight deck, this is your Captain Skyblue speaking on behalf of the rest of the crew. Welcome aboard Emirates Flight 402 non-stop service from Cairo to Dubai. We'll be pushing back within 10 minutes once our airborne wheels up. Today's flight time is 3 hours and 10 minutes. Cruising at 39,000 feet. As we make our way to Dubai, we are looking at the weather map right now, and it seems that it will be a smooth flight all the way, so we'll try and get the seatbelts off as early as possible. Consider keeping your seatbelts on for yours and everyone's safety. For now, just sit back, relax, enjoy the rest of the flight, and we'll get back to you as we get closer into the Dubai area. Once again from the flight deck, aboard the Emirates flight, and welcome aboard. Alright, glare shield check. Set QNH. FD's on. Constraints. Nav. Range 20. Your 1 and 2. Speed dash, heading dash, NVS. We haven't set it yet to anything else, so let's go 39,000. 39,000 set, VS dashes. Alright, copy the ground, oxygen mask test. Mind your ears. Landing elevation, all 60 feet, status of aircraft is normal, and we'll get our clearance. Oh, by the way, up at the first area, you're cleared to close all doors. Also, while we are not facing the first waypoint to the right, we'll make a pre-select this boot 223. Okay, let's say we've got our clearance, and we'll be squawking, what, 4931? Oh, let's say 4931, but it's just really 2000. And it says runway heading, departure, runway 05 center, 5,000 initially, so that's the minimum vectoring. And radar vectors to Manly. Alright. So again, we're cleared to Dubai, 05 center, radar vectors Manly, right turn, 5,000 initially, and squawk, whatever, 2,000 today. Ready for briefing? Alright.
Ground to cockpit, ToLiSs driving up.
So we're taking off from Cairo, runway 05 center. and it'll be a right turn, either heading and or direct vectors to Menly. MSA, so we're just looking at the approach chart 405, right? 3,800, BTs 4,000, transition altitude 4,500. Weather, yeah, it looks good, better than yesterday. Operational, secondary set for reland 05, right? Parked here at Foxtrot. Sorry, Echo 9 will be pushed back facing east. Yankee Sierra and Tango most likely. Operational load sheet. So 0 fuel weight, 171.8 plus fuel of 19,900. So it's gonna be 19.9 this time. Okay. Equals 191.7 minus tax 0.1. There's one. Hold on. Yeah, 190.8. Sorry, my laundry finished. Yeah, there's a big discrepancy here. 171.8, but I will chalk it up to ToLiSs. Because look, 171.8 plus 19.9. Okay. Actually, hold on. 0 fuel weight. Let me just calculate this. Something doesn't look right. 171.8. 9. 191.7 minus 0.4 is 0.3. 17.8 plus 19.9. Also take off it of 190. How can this be? Taxi fuel. 191. Yeah, now it adds up. Now it adds up. It's like it takes 0.4. 191.3. There we go. Hey, taking off runway 05 center, full length, last one trim of 0.3, flex 73. V1145, V1145, VT147, thrust reduction at 1,270, acceleration 3,470. Passing acceleration altitude out of SRS will be in open climb and heading mode because of that. Above SP, the call flap 0, and we'll accelerate to 223 knots below 10,000. Unless we start our turn to the route, like Menly, then we can go up to 250 knots below 10,000. Hey, questions, comments, suggestions? None? Alright, then this departure briefing is complete. Cockpit preparation checklist. This covers removed. Fuel quantity, 19,860 kilograms per gallon. Seatbelts on, 8 ears. Nav barref. QNH 1021. It's complete. Cockpit ground, cleared this external power. And confirm no air cards connected. Okay.
Okay, all doors and hatches are closed. Ready to connect.
That's to ATC auto. Press push and start. Yeah, it says push and start approved. Yankee facing east. Yankee facing east. Beacon light on. Suicidal parking brake on. First start checklist. Parking brake on. You got speed and thrust. V1145, R145, V2147, flex 73. After Mulder's goes unlocked. Alright, cleared for push and start facing east.
Route to cockpit, please show me where you want to go. So connected and bypass pin inserted. Release parking brake.
Okay, all doors check closed. Brakes released off blocks 17.
Starting pushback, and you may start engines.
Start both engines, roger. Start engine 1, engine 1 select ignition. Engine 1, start. Huh? It was idle when he touched it. I guess I gotta do forward and then back. Like, if I have to do like this one again, put it forward and then back. Like this. Oh shoot, hold on. If I did engine 2 now, oh no, just it affects one only. Engine 2, start. And what's the runway heading of this? 044. Take note of that.
Operation complete. Set parking brake.
That was loud. Okay, ground speed 0, no movement. Fix that.
Disconnecting tow. Stand by.
I'll just disconnect just so that we can start going, because it takes a long time. That was one. All right, here we go. So let's take a look at the trim. Okay, trim is 29.3. It says 20. Actually, this is a bit more accurate now. 2.0. We'll trust that instead. All right, copy the ground.
Tow
And
is
disconnect.
disconnected and bypass pin has been removed. Hand signal
It's not
will
that
be on
long.
the left. We'll see you next time. Have a safe flight.
Roger, thank you. I forget. This is VATSIM, so I have trip position report. Sorry. I haven't done that in a while. Hand seals and pins. Received after start checklist. NTI off. ECAM status. Check push trim. 29.3%. Trim neutral. After start checks complete. Let's do the flight controls as we start our taxi here, and then we'll do the brakes check later. Do we have VATSIM? Carrier traffic advisory, Emirates 402. Taxiing to runway 05 center from Terminal 2 via Yankee Sierra Tango and hold short 05 center, Cairo. Okay, I know where to go. The left side? Right side. Parking brake off. Flight control check. Pull up. Down. Neutral. What that? Full left. Full right. Neutral. Rudder. Full left. Full right. Neutral. Other guy. Okay. Brake check. Show 0. Alright, now we can accelerate a bit. Alright, takeoff confirmation brief, please. Alright, takeoff 05 center, full length, that's from Tango, runway heading 044 up to 5,000. And then we'll maintain up until green dot speed until turning right to Medley. Climb blue, nav blue, and MD2, 5,000 blue. Check, no change to departure. Taxi checklist. Clear left. Right. Alright, taxi checklist. Fire tools check. Check. Setting config 1 plus F. Plus F. Winch here. On and auto. Filter norm. Mode. Take off. No blue. Alright. Let's pick up the pace now. Alright, clear left. Alright, let's take off. Air traffic advisory, Emirates 402, taking off runway 05 center, straight out departure up to 5,000, then turning southeast bound, Cairo. Okay, runway 05 center confirmed, no stop bar, runway clear, no TCAS traffic, push path clear. Alright, lineup checklist. Runway 05 center, full length. Full length, TCAS. TARA, send to ALM. Lineup checklist complete. Ready? Ready. Okay, stand by. We are flying. Runway heading? CR. Okay, set heading 044. Take off. Manflex 73 SRS runway, auto thrust blue. This bug again, hold on.
Thrust set.
Seriously?
100 knots.
Checked.
V1.
Rotate. Positive climb.
Gear up.
Gear up.
Runway track full heading. Let's climb auto thrust. He says, stand by. Shoot. The brake fan was too long. I'm getting complacent. Damn it. Well, it's PM's job. So, packs, brake fan. The TRA, brake fan, packs. You can climb all blue. No, it's like this. TCAS, cab, PCAS, PA, brake fan, packs. Alright, it says continue climb flight level 200. Set flight level 200. And flight direct manually. Right, turn right direct 1. Sorry, turn right heading 130 initially. Alright, set direct manually. And the beam point. Oh, lower beam points, so there. Nav direct manually. Manage climb. Climb. Okay, stand by for the Q&H flaps 0.
Speed check flap 0.
Some spoilers. And set standard. Set pressure, pressure code 052. And now check the difference. Manage speed. Managed. Alright, cycle seatbelts. Last 10,000, landing lights off, seat belts, yeah. Turn them off, airport. Leapfrog, optimum level. 390, recommend level 410. GPS primary, actually high, checked. Fly direct Sisek, they said. Direct Sisek. The beam points. Oh, no. We will get extra time, don't worry. We will. So level 390. Actually, no, I'll do that. Level 390 blue, alt cruise blue. Let's see. Yeah, we gained 0.7 already. the Suez Canal is over to our left side. There, see that? There. That's the Port of Suez, the city and Port of Suez, and that's the canal itself. Yes, the Evergreen. It's over there. Alright, so I'll catch up with you guys later. Alright, we are 10 minutes to top of descent. We do need to prepare everything. First of all, let's get these charts out. What charts do we really need? Let me just check. Charts needed are -1 up to 4 and 5. -2 and 10-2 alpha. -1 primary, 11-2 secondary. And 10-10 Right. Metar. Company message. All right, 170 at 8 kilometers, 28. So 170, 8, 28, 1016. 016. Landing weight is 0 fuel weight plus EFOB. So we got extra fuel now. 171.8, 176.8, 177.1. If we do low auto brakes and on vacate 1870 meters. So we can go Mike 7 Alpha or Mike 9er, which would be there. Then we do need to cross that runway as well. And Mike 10 Bravo. And then let's pick the gate. Bravo 2 set. Or, you know, near the convoys. Bravo 23. Okay. Low water brakes. plan. Check the star. You know, for voting, maybe we could go Derek Rarick. Sure, okay. We'll see. Rarick, 1-2 left. Brim. 1-2, right? Okay. 1-2 left is still in use. Brim, 1-2 left. 6-11, all 2. Chase 1016, 178. Alright. Let's 223. Then for a runway change, just in case. To right. Re-rec. Sorry. 223. 289. Alright. I'll do a quick PA while you look at while you cross check. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, for flight deck, this is Emirates speaking. In about 5 minutes, or within 5 minutes, we'll start our descent down into the Dubai area. Our landing time, we're estimating about 40 minutes from now. Weather information in Dubai, and great day for flying, great visibility, winds coming from the south. It's a bit warmer, 28 degrees Celsius. I'd like to thank you for choosing Emirates as your airline choice heading into Dubai. We have other options. So, wherever travels may take you, we hope you have a safe journey. Sit back, relax, enjoy the rest of the flight. And hope to see you again on another Emirates or Sky Blue Air service flight. Until then, we'll see you. Okay, ready for briefing? Very quick briefing. Okay, we're arriving Dubai on VTEP 3 Bravo arrival, and that's chart 10-2 Alpha, 1825. So, ends at re-rec. Re-rec, chart 11-1, 11th April 25. This is the ILS runway 12. India Delta Bravo Lima 10.1. Final approach course is 119. Delta Bravo 612 at 2000 is the final descent point, and more relevant for the localizer. This is an altitude, so again we put 223 as per the chart. Highest MSA is west side 3800, BTA 4000, and transition level 150. Weather is described, no significant weather, and stand by. Let's descend. Oh, sure. We'll flight level 250 initially. Level 250 blue, thrust descent, descent all blue. Yeah, so operational, secondary set for ILS 12 right. And low auto brakes, max reverse, config full. We indicate Mike 7 Alpha if we do the manual braking. If not, we can comfortably get Mike 9 Alpha. And our stand today will be somewhere on the south concourse of Bravo, so we'll brief that in a bit. Cross runway 12 right, Mike 10 Bravo to Kilo 7 most likely, or wherever they want to cross us. Kilo 7, then through hotspots 9 and mark hotspot. Which is a confusing intersection. Everything else is jet blast. Bravo 23 will be our final one gate, so Kilo 7, and then most likely we'll come in from Juliet. We'll see whatever takes us. If not, Uniform. So Juliet or Uniform. Extra fuel is 1.9 tons of 96 minutes. Anything to add? Alright, then that's the aero briefing. Again, there's speed constraints as well. It's going to be written down here somewhere. There we go. Speed restrictions. We'll have that. Alright, seriously? There's no, Mach decimal. I mean, we could go open descent. Go 290. Open descent all blue. Go below, keep going. Manage 270 300. You gotta be at least 1,000 below. So let's go. 2,000 below. Let's try this. Manage speed. Pitch up, lose speed. Continue descent at level 200. Level 200 blue. Alright, 50 knots. Softball. Speed descent. Complete. Not too bad. $600, so 50 knots times 3. Not too bad. But then again, we didn't have to use the speed brakes. We just did open descent, then God knows what happened. That's descent. $25 minutes extra. Okay, let's go direct to VATSIM, ATC says, and descend level 120 level by VATSIM. Insert. And the QNH. That's train above cabin crew. Please prepare the cabin for arrival. Hold on, let me just do a fix info. How is 10,000 feet? No way, really? So I do need to descend down to like, that's 25 miles. I should be here at 7,000 feet. Yeah, 7,000, it's fine.
San Bernardo Radio.
Radio? Oh, okay, hold on. No, I guess I'll, Fifteen minutes. So 09160. Okay, set Kinich. Check pass. Check no difference. Alright, let's go down to 8,000. 8,000 more. And leave VTAB heading 100. Wait, what? 30,000. He's fast. This is an inbound traffic. He's quite fast. I'm not too sure. What's up with the weather? Oh, it's hazy. Cloudy or whatever. Okay, leave VTAB heading 100. ATC said. And send 7,000. 7,000 blue. No, we gotta do open descent. We'll be high by then. Also, we gotta be 230 knots. Okay. Stand by. Okay. Heading. VTAB 230 knots. And expect radar vectors. Re-rec. Set re-rec reel in. Shit. Reel in 299er. Insert ready to pull. Pull. Flaps 1. Check.
Speed checked flaps 1.
Activate approach phase. 10 above for a checklist. Seatbelts on, minimum, barrel 223. Auto brake, low, SR selector norm, barrier F, QNH 1015. Okay, I got 7 miles off to my left side. 34, we're good. Okay, 120. Turn right heading 180. We gotta be 2000 at Oak Rim, so let's go base 200. It's like 180 to 230, it's fine. I'm target 180. 0. Speed brake. Okay, 5. Okay, 5 plus, oh shoot. $25. Okay. Laps 2. Speed. Turn left heading 150, or descent 2000. Left heading 150. Wait for the ILS 1 left approach. We're established. Okay, India Delta Bravo Lima identified. Normal sensing, cleared ILS 1 2 left. That's the blue cat 1, AP 1 plus 2. Flaps 2. Check.
Speed checked flaps 2.
And gear down. We are high for Oak Rim, so.
Gear down.
But we're fine for that. Loke. Okay, manage speed. Let's do this GS from above. Speed minus, VS minus 2000 blue. Dubai traffic advisory, Emirates 402 on a 15 mile final, ILS 12 left, Dubai. No, wait, really? That thing doesn't lose speed. He doesn't lose speed? This aircraft? 1,700? No way. No way, really? $600. Dubai traffic advisory, Emirates 402, 10 mile final, runway 12 left, Dubai. First approach is 3,000 GS star. First approach 3,000 set.
$2,500.
Checked. Laps 3.
Speed checked flaps 3.
Laps full.
Speed checked flaps full.
$2,000.
With speed control, we are going to do stabilize at 500 feet per minute, latest. Right, disconnecting. Oh, landing checklist. Ammo. Landing checks complete. Disconnecting autopilot. Stand by. Manual flight. Not one. No RV stable by 1,000. There we go.
1,000.
Check. Dubai traffic advisory, Emirates 402, short final runway 12 left, Dubai.
$500. $400.
Land.
300.
100 above.
Check.
Minimum.
Continue.
200. 100. 50. 40. 30. 20.
Retard.
10.
There we go.
5.
Spoilers. Reverse green. Brake low. Decel.
Metal braking. What's this? Mike Miner. Huh? What do you mean? Solid deviation. Really? We'll talk about that in a bit. The Dubai Traffic Advisory, Emirates 402, vacated 12 left. We'll be holding short, 12 right. Okay, track speed brakes. Dubai traffic will be crossing. I expect anyone to right in front of the company 777 for crossing. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Cross, 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 cross. Thank you, good sir. You'll expedite. Don't worry. Just keep on jumping 2. Thank you. Thank you, company. My God, we're going downhill. We're going down, down. Oh God. What is this? Oh my God, I don't know what the heck that is, whatever. Okay, after landing checklist. Carried on predictive wind shear. After landing check is complete. That's weird. What the heck? Bravo 2-3. It's inform 6. Yeah, go left. We're going uphill. Add power. It's not supposed to be that way. Alright. facing the ramp. Okay, visual dying gun system A339. Can brake on. And fuel bleed on. Engine 1 and 2 off. Okay, beacon light off. Okay, copy to ground, confirm, track set. Set, roger, brakes, released. Nil defects on blocks, 1-7. Parking checklist. Track set, engines off, lights off, pumps off. Parking checks complete. Yeah, alright. So let's see, instant deboarding.
Deboarding completed.
Alright, can we do a replay? Also, look, I was center line, like what the VDGS suggested. So I think someone's landing.
Dubai traffic, Sliver 23 heavy, established on the localizer for 12 right, 15 mile final.
Like, I'm not sure. For the replay, do we need to put the flaps down or something? I'll try. Hold on. Look how many helic pumps there are. Can we like turn them all on, and the flaps are gonna go down? What the hell? Wait, what? Oh, there you go. Look how slow those lats flaps are moving. Wait, why are they on? Oh my god, look how slow they are. And brake fan on. Forgot to do that as well. Okay, there we go. Oh, nice. Yeah, son. Let's get some replays done. Yeah, son. Son. That was too good. Hold on. That was amazing. Nice. Nice. Nice.
Ten.
Ah, no. Heck. Hold on. No, not like that, sir. Nice. Amazing. Amazing livery. I really put the ailerons into the wind that time. Ailerons into the wind. Hell yeah. Nice. Alright guys, this is going to be the last, well, second to last, I guess. Second to the last. Hi guys, Skyblue Drew. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Thank you for watching this video. See ya.
Minimum
200. 100. 50. 40. 30. 20.
retard.
10.
5.